Welcome. This lesson, you're just going to be using the product rule for logarithms, which basically, if you have this expression right here written down, you will do just fine on all of these things, or all of these exercises in this lesson. Now, you might be going this direction, and you might be going this direction. Just be warned that you could be given one where it's split into two, and you have to combine it to one, or where you're given it as one, where you break it into two logarithms. Now, I do really wish that in this actual logarithm here, they put parentheses around the yx, but I'm assuming that they assume you should realize that that's a single logarithm of 1 yx. Now, remember, if you don't see any base written on there, it's a base 10. But what's really nice is when you click on here to type it in, you'll notice it gives you a log base 10 where you don't have to put the 10 in. So you just do log of x. And if you'll notice, they put parentheses around it, which I really think they should have parentheses up there as well, plus log of x, not z of x. So again, since it's multiplication inside the logarithm, you can separate it into two separate logarithms that you are adding. Isn't that what I typed? Oh, I did a double x. Look at that. I did x and x. And how stupid am I? So make sure you do the same variables. Look, that x, that should have been a y, not an x. So again, IXL only knows what you type in. So I got it. I don't know how to type in a y versus an x. So again, here they're going to use technically a 7 for the one log plus log of r. So again, 7 times r, I change it to an addition of two separate logs, base 10. I'm going to jump ahead a little bit. You should fly through these. Here's the one where they have it as a separate. So we're going to change it back to a single logarithm. So we'll do a single log base 10. So that's a common log of 2 times 7 or 14. So remember, going the other direction, you actually multiply. And I should write that here so you see that. That's log of one expression, which is 2 times 7. So again, very straightforward, very easy. I think you guys will fly through this. If you have any questions at all, please do bring them to class. Just watch your bases, like this one here, it's a base. So now you'll use this one. You'll do your base x, 2 times 6 is 12. So you'll fly through these pretty quickly. I'm just jumping ahead to see if makes them any more difficult than that. Again, watch your exponent rules. So in other words, this is a single logarithm, and they're both common logs. So it's a single logarithm. 2 times 8 is 16. And then I have e raised to the, well, I'm multiplying the 2e to the 8th and the e to the 3rd. So let's add those exponents. So it would be e to the 11th. So again, as long as you're watching your exponents rules as well as your logarithm rules, you will be just fine.